S. Robert Molinari. Sigmund Robert Molinari, 1897–1957. Molinari, who served one term in the New York State Assembly, was the first Italian immigrant to serve in the New York State Assembly. Life. He was born in New York City and graduated from New York University. Before entering politics, he was a real estate broker on Staten Island. He worked as an appraiser and property manager for the New York City Bureau of Real Estate from 1941 until his election. He was a member of the New York State Assembly Richmond Company, 2nd D in 1943 and 1944, elected on the Republican ticket. In 1944, he ran for re-election on the Democratic ticket, Molinari, but was defeated by Republican Edmund P. Radigan. In 1948, he lost a race for the Republican nomination for the New York State Senate. He ran unsuccessfully for the party's nomination for Staten Island Borough President in 1953. S. Robert Molinari died June 1, 1957, at the age of 59. He was the father of Guy Molinari, 1928–2018, who served in the United States House of Representatives and as borough president of Staten Island, and grandfather of U.S. Representative Susan Molinari, born 1958. He lived in New Dorp, Staten Island.